Yeah. Got the hair in. Woo! Today I'm finally testing the Dyson Airwrap Do-It-Yourself hacks with a bottle. But I'm taking it a step further and I bought a dupe that looks very similar on Amazon. Where else? And it did take a while to come here. It probably took like 2 months to get here and free shipping was not included. So that was sad. So this looked really interesting. There were no reviews on it. So I have no idea if it sucks or if it's amazing or even better than Dyson Airwrap. Who knows? Maybe it is. It says it's fast, easy, sexy, healthy, patent pending, with Angelina Jolie's very beautiful young face right here in the very front of the box. So either she is the spokesperson or she's the one behind it, or she has no idea that her face is on this box. And then we have the Dyson Airwrap. And basically what I want to do with this video is I want to compare the two sides. So the dupes versus the Airwrap Dyson. So basically the whole way to make this work is to make sure the hair spirals on the inside. So we didn't cut an actual huge slit. We just cut a tiny little slit and you take the hair dryer and you stick it in at an angle. This basically makes the hair go in a spiral or a whirlwind because the air is going at an angle. So just cut yourself a little slit and just slide the little guy right in there. You know what I mean? And for some reason we have 2 of these. I don't know which one we'll go for. Probably go for the smaller one. Just gonna split my hair because I always do this whenever I'm using some kind of hair tool. I am going to start with the Airwrap because we are going to compare the 2 sides. And we basically want to mimic what the Airwrap is doing because these are dupes, right? So like I said, I'm just gonna take a section of hair and get it nice and a little bit damp. All right, so like I said, I have the 1.2-inch barrel attachment and I'm going to use it on the highest heat setting and the second airflow. So this is what the curl looks like. So basically, like I said, I put it on the highest heat setting on the second airflow just because I don't need that much airflow going. So let's see what we can do to create at least something similar to this on this other side. And we are gonna use the bottle first. So we're gonna slide it in and I'm gonna do the same thing. Just gonna turn it on. There goes everything. All right, so I did on the highest heat setting and the second airflow for this as well. Let's put the hair in first, and then let's slide this bad boy in. All right, who's ready? Because I am. Ready? It just flew out of the bottle. Let's try this again. Maybe I need to go in the lowest. Yeah, I might need to just hold the hair in there.
No, go lower. That was too strong.
Okay, I'm gonna go in the lowest airflow because that's way too strong. All right, we're going on the lowest airflow, you guys. All right, ready? I'm gonna try to hold it up against my scalp. Ready? Let's try this. Nope. All right, let's try this again. And it's getting tangled towards the bottom, which is my least favorite. Let's try this again. Let's do it straight. So Andre went and cut the bottom. So now we're gonna try to get the wind going down instead of up. Hopefully that will change something. Let's get the hair right in. And honestly, I'm kind of thinking this is not for short hair. Let's try to do this again.
Oh, that's better.
Yeah. Woo. Wow, that's hot. Oh yeah, you guys see that? Oh, hold up. It did something right here to the really short hairs. All right, so the biggest thing is I need to make sure the hair is going down and not up. All right, let's do this again. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh. This is so pretty, you guys. I can't help myself. Wow. I've never seen this kind of curl before. I mean, can we say twins? One is bouncy, the other one is playful. This one's very mysterious. You never know what you will get. You know what? I am gonna continue doing this, but we're gonna try the contraption now. All right, so this is what this looks like. So it comes with 2 different directions. I don't even know, honestly, but we're gonna make it work. So basically you put the hair dryer right here. Let's test it out, see if it's gonna fit. No, I think we need a different hair dryer now. Let's try the air wrap.
Still blowing there. Perfect.
All right, so we're gonna use the air wrap in with the contraption. I'm gonna take a bigger section this time. I'm gonna get it nice and somewhat damp. And then I'm just gonna shove the hair in here. There we go. It's in, you guys. Let me just bring this around like this. That way we can put the hair dryer in here. I'm gonna do the same thing, keep it on the second airflow and the highest heat setting and see what happens, see if it's too hot. There it is, getting warm. There it is. Now it's getting warm. Guys, I think it's doing something. You guys ready to see this? Not bad! Hold on! You guys! Look at that! Yeah, these are like very beachy waves. I'm not mad. Okay. At least we're getting somewhere. And I think getting bigger sections is actually not bad. Alright, it's having a hard time staying in there. But I mean, come on. This is good. You know what? I think we need to try it with the bottle. We need to put this inside the bottle. I'm just gonna hold it in here, just like this. And we're gonna do it from the top. I'm gonna do it the lowest heat setting though, because that's way too hot. Alright, let's do this. Let's put the hair in. As much as we can. Then find the hole. Hold that little middle piece and let's get going. Ah! No, I failed.
You keep moving.
I keep moving. It was hard, you guys. It did definitely do a better job. So the trick to this is you want to make sure the hole is at the top so your hair is going down with airflow, not up. I think that is the trick. Let's try this again. You guys, I'm not giving up with this. I'm gonna try to do something with it. Oh, there we go. Let's try it.
Don't move it. When you move it.
I'm trying not to move it. All right, this is as best as we're gonna get it because we're gonna move on and try the other hair and see if we can make it even better. All right, so we're just gonna continue with the do-it-yourself and I'm gonna come back and finish off with the regular air wrap and then we're gonna come back and see the final result. These ones will probably look somewhat better because the hair is longer at the top. So there's gonna be a little bit more to see. I hope. I wish we had a chopstick to test out.
No chopsticks?
No, we don't have chopsticks.
Use
I was
a
actually
screwdriver.
looking for one a couple days ago. For one No, I was looking for 2 chopsticks to eat. All right, so we're gonna do the same thing with the bottle.
You know what you could do?
What?
You could put a curling iron in there.
This is like a 2-person thing here, though.
2-person job. Alright, you want me to help?
No, I got it, I think. Okay, ready? Let's try this again. I'm just gonna try to hold it in here. I'm gonna commission Andre to help me with this.
2-man job here. 3-man job.
3-man job. You know what? Let me include this hair in here also. I'm gonna try to get that front piece to do something. You ready?
Okay, so we have issue with
All right.
inserting.
We got the hair in, and then you turn it on. See, it's hard because the bottom piece is stuck. Woo! You see what I mean? It's hard.
It was getting stuck on my hand, the hair.
Yeah.
I'll do from the top.
You ready?
Okay. Much better.
Woo! Oh, that's hot.
Ooh, that's hot.
Yeah, it's hot. Here, I'll hold it. Let go. I'll hold it. Ooh, it's hot. Ah! Take it off, 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 take it off. Ooh, that's hot. Wow, the bottle gets really hot. You guys, we got something. We got a beach wave up top. All right, so all you need is a bottle. You need this contraption. But instead of using this contraption, you just use the inside of the contraption.
And you need a Dyson also.
And you need a Dyson. Just kidding. All right, you know what? Instead of the bottle, we're just gonna use the contraption because it's a little bit easier. You don't have to hold everything in place. So I tried out 3 different standard hair dryers. So I have a big full T3. Doesn't even come close to fitting in. It's literally wider than this little hole. And it says it fits all regular hair dryers. A mini hair dryer doesn't even fit in. But you know what does fit in? The Dyson Airwrap. I'm not even exaggerating. That is the only one that actually fits in here. So you will need a Dyson Airwrap to make this work comfortably. And then I tried to find another one with a smaller nozzle. And this one looks like it's gonna be a promise, but it just falls off. This video is just getting better and better. Let's just continue doing this because I am not hating the results. I'm actually very impressed and happy that something is working out here.
After all that work.
After all of this work, we actually have somewhat decent results. Come on, get in. There we go. Ah, this is funny. All right, let's do this. You know what this is? This is just another attachment for Dyson. Ooh, maybe Dyson came out with this and they're just putting a different name and seeing how people react to it. I'm joking. I'm sure it's not the case. Whew. The one thing, because obviously this is, I don't know what, the way that they designed this, a lot of the air is coming back down at you, so it gets really hot. It's dangerous, dangerous stuff. But you guys, we're actually getting somewhere, and it's creating something. Ooh. I'm almost done with the dupe side. We just have a little bit more left. Last one for the dupe side.
You might want to redo that one underneath also.
No, I actually like it. It's nice and beachy, it's nice and long. I'm gonna keep it, Andre. I redid it like 10 times. I am not going for the 11th. All right, this is the one that's gonna make it count. Nice. All right, so now that the left dupe side is done, I'm just gonna let it be, let it cool off, do its thing, and I'm just gonna finish the Airwrap side. I'm just gonna brush it out because I didn't brush out the curls yet. So this right here is the final results after I brushed out the hair with just my fingers, just to break up some of the curls. And this is what we have accomplished. So first, starting off with the dupe side, we have the plastic bottles and then the contraption from China. Not bad. And then we have the Dyson Airwrap on the right side. So which side do you guys prefer? Left or right? Honestly, if my entire head was like this, it wouldn't be so bad. It wouldn't look as horrible. So obviously there are some good dupes out there, but they need to work on them. So honestly, if this little contraption was a little bit wider, and this little insert was also wider instead of super thin, I think it might work and do a really nice job. But honestly, somebody is somewhat on the right path in copying Dyson and trying to mimic the airflow, trying to mimic the Kawanda effect, but it still has a long way to go. The whole plastic bottle situation, I think it's really great for views. I think it's great for entertainment, but in reality, does it work? No, it doesn't. Just to be honest with you, they're not great. They're not great dupes. They're not even a dupe, and there we have it. It did work better with this little insert though, but it was a 3-man job and we don't have a third person, so it might have worked with a third man. Obviously, jokes aside, I think it's great that people are trying to figure out a way and cheaper way to make this method work, because it does work and the results are beautiful and they speak for themselves. So honestly, that would be really great if we had a cheaper version of this on the market. But I don't think you'll be able to, because all of this technology is patented by Dyson. Who knows, maybe somebody else will come out with something even better and cheaper. You never know. Thank you guys so much for watching, spending time with me, and seeing these dupes versus the real thing. I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you all very much. Bye.